This is main unit. This is documents including sensitivity data, instruction manual, and inspection sheet. This is batteries, shoulder strap, and SD card. And this is accelerometer sensor. Sawadika. My name is Rika Minagaki from Rion International Sales Team. Rion is a Japanese manufacturing company based in Tokyo. We are professional about sound and vibration measurement. So here in Thailand, we have our official distributor, which is Nihon Denkei Thailand. So if you have any inquiries, please contact Nihon Denkei Thailand. ขอบคุณค่ะ